Trying so hard not to like you, but there's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right.
Station Sekampoy.
Kakadating ko lang ng Karawang and it's so provincial. Hindi rural, provincial. Ilang condos, which is very good. Now everything feels so slow. This is what I want.
Muslim?
No.
Christian?
Yeah. This is how they eat it apparently. You dip this naan and you'll dip it. I've always been so curious about the taste of naan. It tastes exactly how you'd imagine it to be. Curry, beef. So yeah. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung saan yung start. So wala rin masyadong tao, which is good. And also bad kasi wala akong susundan. So game plan, meron siyang 7 waterfalls. Tapos so unahin ko siguro yung pinakamataas, tapos pababa para mas madali. So yeah, so far ang ganda. Kasi it's nature. Ang bigat ng bag ko dahil sa tubig. Pero mababawasan naman siya mamaya pag uminom ako ng uminom.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now.
Yung trail, mabilis mo lang siya masusundan kasi may mga guide like this, may mga railings, tapos lakas ng pressure dito, nagre-react yung tenga ko. Look, ganda. to hike na talaga. Wala na yung trails. I mean, wala na yung guide. Sundan mo na lang yung trails. Meron pala akong headband. Pinapawisan ako, tapos tumutulo sa mata ko yung pawis. So sinuot ko muna siya. Kasi hindi ko alam kung nakailang falls na ako. Pero feeling ko meron pa sa taas. Kasi may trail pa naman. And I'm doing my best to follow this and be safe. Tinry ko pumunta doon kasi madulas. So, I don't wanna risk it.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind.
Try ko bang umakyat sa mas mataas. Kasi meron pa trail. So, susundan ko lang naman to. Akitin ko to.
Ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. Oh, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you. End all my days with you. Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. Till I end all my days with you.
I need to find a way para ma-stash yung sapatos ko dito sa bag. My shoes are a little wet. Siguro dito na lang sa baba para para pantay yung bigat. Yeah, magiging struggle lang siya kasi magiging wobbly yung lakad ko, pero okay lang. I can deal with that. Pero I can't deal with my feet hurting pababa. Anyway, and this is my current situation. Yeah.
Oh, video.
Photo and video. Maganda dito kasi kahit remote na yung place or medyo isolated na yung place, meron pa rin signal.
I woke up in a haze this morning. Baby, I don't know what I did last night. My phone still got a drink all over. Guess I gotta get it back together right now. I don't know where my shoes at. No way that I barefooted back home. I don't know where my friends at. Guess I gotta call you up and say I'm sorry I missed you. Tonight, one night turns into 10 night turns into two.
Bato Caves. I'm just waiting for the train. Nakala ko nakalagpas ako. So you're supposed to get off dito sa station na to, tapos lilipat ka sa kabilang train. Sana open pa siya. Hindi ko kasi ma-check yung time kasi yung phone ko hindi nagcha-charge.
I got a couple others trying to party. Tonight turns into